Greetings, everyone. It's C-Track's Think Train Week. I'm Amit Bose, Administrator of the Federal Railroad Administration. And we're joining Operation Lifesaver Incorporated this week and throughout the year, sharing the importance of making safe choices around railroad tracks and trains. While we've seen progress in reducing incidents where roadways cross train tracks, they are the second leading cause of rail-related deaths nationwide, and just behind trespassing. It's crucial to prioritize safety for yourself and your loved ones. Know the facts, recognize the signs, and make safe decisions near tracks and trains throughout C-Track's Think Train Week and beyond. Let's work together to stop tragedies and save lives. Learn more about rail safety education at oli.org.